today's video, I will share with you about Stretchy Noodle String. So Stretchy Noodle String is a sensory toys that consists of two different sizes, big and small, as well as they have multiple colors. So later in this video, I will share with you on how to play these toys as well as their benefits. So stay tuned. So how to play with this Stretchy Noodle String? Actually, there are multiple ways on how to play with them. Since it is a sensory toys, we can just play with them by stretching it with our fingers like this. Or we can braid them together like this one, using multiple colors. So which way that you choose? The suitable age to play these toys is 2 years and above. Next, I will share with you on their benefits to the children. So with this Stretchy Noodle String, it promotes calmness in children. For example, when they focus on stretching this Stretchy Noodle String, it helps them to clear their minds. Secondly, it helps to improve children's fine motor skill. For example, they will use their fingers to braid them together or to stretch them. Lastly, it helps children to learn colors, as this stretchy noodle have multiple colors like orange, purple, green, blue, and many more. So that is all from me, and thank you for watching.